I have a bunch of stuff to do and I'm getting a very late start. So I'm very rushed, but of course I'm taking time to video. That's not wise time management. Now, yeah, I have to run to the dump. Exciting. And then I have a meeting and then I have to get back home. My luck today continues. I bet almost anything that this was gonna happen. I was supposed to just stop by anytime to meet with this individual this afternoon. And of course I picked the time when they are not in the office, so. Now I will, let's go home. I got home and the curtains I ordered on Black Friday sale are all here, and the surveillance cameras that I ordered also are here. These cameras, I've been telling everybody about them, so I'll tell you guys too. They're from Zmoto, I think it is. They're relatively inexpensive, especially if you get them on a sale like I did. I personally got them so that I can monitor and talk to my animals at any time from anywhere. Most of you are pet lovers, so you'll probably understand. That likely doesn't sound too crazy. Basically, yeah, from anywhere, I can not only see all of my animals, I can listen to them and talk to them. So whether I need to, you know, make sure someone's not getting into something and scold them if they are, or just be like, hey Rosie, what's up? I'm at the grocery store. How's your day? I can. I know they have like cameras specifically marketed for like interacting with your pet, keeping, my hair's crazy, keeping an eye on your pet, all of that. But I also know that they're pretty expensive from what I've seen. Like one camera is like $100. I just got 4 for $100. So, and they essentially do the same thing as far as I know. I don't have any experience with the pet ones, but I can't imagine what else I would want it to do. I guess they do have the treat dispensing ones, but I have too many animals. If I shot a treat out, they would all go crazy trying to get it, so that wouldn't work. I thought I was done for the night, but I want to show you something. I've had a couple of people ask me how Oink is doing and for an update on him. If you don't know, he is a English bulldog-ish type thing. I don't know what he is. That I was boarding that just never went home. The Oink and me routine that I'm gonna totally regret showing you. Ready? Okay, Oink. Are you ready? You wanna show him? You wanna show him, crazy man? On your mark, get set, go! He's so tired already. Ooh, already? Come on, we're working out. Yeah, yeah, keep up. Come on, keep up. You're doing it. There's fluff from a toy that you destroyed. Oh, are we tired already? Normally we race around the house super fast and it's so fun because he can't keep up. It's hilarious. And then we do this, his favorite part. Okay. Oh, you can do it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is the best part, right? Okay, come on. So big. Bud scratch time. Oh, gentle, easy. I only have one hand to defend myself. I have to defend myself from Oink love because it's a really intense love. Oh. Okay. I mean, I needed to wash my face anyways, but oh, there he is. That's Oink man. Huh? Can you do the belly rubs? Huh? He's so cute. Say goodnight to the vlog. Good job, bud. Oh no. You know, just ignore this horrible nod. About to go wash my face, but I wanted to do a quick experiment because I'm laying in bed being yelled at by a whole little troop of pigs that want me to pick them up and put them in the bed with me. What if I just sit right here? Huh? We have 1, 2. We're missing one. Yeah, it's good for slippery business, huh? This is what it looks like when you have dedicated all of your time to raising socialized sweet pigs. Boop. If you can't tell by like the stupid smile on my face, this makes me so happy, even though it happens all day, every day. It's such nice weather today. I thought it would be a great time to work on building a custom kennel for one of the dogs. So I don't have the Christmas trees out yet. I don't know how many or which ones or anything, but we have the totes at least. I was ready to start decorating, I thought, and then I realized my house is still covered in plants and they all have to go somewhere else. So the porch is insulated well enough that I'm moving them all out and moving all the Christmas stuff in. Can I help you boys? Huh? You like people. What you doing? Enough of the plants are out. So I'm gonna start putting stuff up, and I have a Christmas party tonight, so I wanna get this edited and posted before I go. Cross your fingers, because that seems like some pretty lofty goals at this point. I'm gonna decorate the house a little bit, and then maybe tomorrow we'll pull out the tree and decorate that. I painted that of my dog. These are all the curtains I ordered. These pig stockings. I knew I had a Santa hat. That whole video where I was looking for one, it was buried. I have a funny video of Fran seeing this for the first time. I'll insert that here. What my least favorite part of decorating is? Garland. I have to spend hours out there in the cold, but it makes it so pretty. I'm not doing that today though, because I do not have time, so this is a tomorrow thing. All right, I think that's all I have time for today. In the next vlog, I will do the Christmas tree decorating and also show you the house all decorated. Now I have to get ready.